Alright, dear students, today we will look into Science, Stage 9, Paper 2, 2023 paper, Question 9. Okay, Question 9 here. Copper oxide reacts with dilute nitric acid to make a salt and water. So let us write the equation first. Copper oxide with nitric acid. We get copper nitrate and water, and we need to balance the equation. Okay, so this is the equation. Look at question A here. What is the name of the salt made in this reaction? In the reaction between copper oxide and dilute nitric acid, the salt form is copper nitrate. So this is the salt copper nitrate. Okay, look at question B. The mass is conserved during this reaction. What is the meaning of the words mass is conserved? Okay, when we say mass is conserved in a chemical reaction, it means that the total mass of the reactant before the reaction is equal to the total mass of the products after reaction. So the total mass of the reactant equal to the total mass of the products. Example, when we look here, we have one molecule of copper and we have one molecule of copper, one molecule of oxygen and we have one molecule of oxygen here, and here two molecule of hydrogen and we have two molecule of hydrogen also, and here nitrate. So this is nitrate, two molecule of nitrate and we have two molecule of nitrate also here. So in simpler terms, no atoms are created or destroyed during a chemical reaction. They are rearranged to form new substances. So this principle is known as the law of conservation of mass, which is a fundamental concept in chemistry. So now what is the meaning of the words mass is conserved? Mass of reactant is the same as mass of products. Okay, question C. Water molecules are made in this reaction. Name and describe the type of bond present in a water molecule. So the type of bond in water molecule here we called as covalent bond. Covalent bond is shared pair of electrons. Now we will look into experiment related to copper oxide and dilute nitric acid.